guys, today we're going to be opening up some toys and some stuff. We have the unicorn cup that I got at CVS in Evanston today. It has a unicorn, flamingos, stars, palm trees. It's made by Cool Gear. A thunderbolt, an eye, donut, cactus, lemon, paper airplane, pineapples and stuff. And it has a milkshake and all of that good stuff. Yeah, anyways, here it is. We have some stuffing. We have some stuffing, not stuffing. Ha! We have some stuff inside. Up first, we're going to be opening the panda corn squishy. Her name is Penelope the Panda Corn. Also, I have some panda corn socks that match. Aren't they cute? See? They are the same. Anyways, I'll open those socks in a different video. Anyways, those two are both from Justice. Let's get on with the video. This is called the Justice Hugs and Squishies. Hi, friend. My name is Penelope the Panda Corn. I think I might keep this packaging. Nice. There's no tear strips, so I'm gonna have to open it like a bag of chips. Maybe I can do something. I hope you guys can still say sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Sorry if you can't see. Look, big chips. Gonna have to use my pink scissors. One squeezable toy. It contains one squeezable toy. Ages 3+. And do you see how those little cute pandas? Cute. Anyways, let's open it. It's not working. And there's pandas all over the packaging. I just think it's cute. Yeah, I'm definitely going to keep the packaging of this because it's really nice quality. See, it smells fruity and vanilla-y. It's so amazing. I don't even know how to describe it. It is so adorable. It's kind of shiny and metallic-y. Now the squish this. It actually smells like soap, like fruity soap. Squish. It's kind of slow rising. What if we smush the panda? Smush and release. Oh, it's slow rising. It's kind of slow rising. It's kind of really, but not really slow rising. But still, adorable little Penelope. Here's a little heart on its tail. Anyways, I'm going to keep this packaging because it's so cute. Her name is Penelope. What should we open up next? I think we should be opening up the Shopkins Squeezekins. Shopkins. This one here showing is Apple Blossom. This one right here. But what I have is wishes. It says, give them a squeeze to discover the surprise. Interesting. There's all different ones you can collect. I got wishes. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 12 to collect. I want cookie, but today we have wishes. So I'm going to have to put you guys down for a sec. For a few seconds. I'm going to open this carefully. I want Cookie, but today we have her. Oh, more candy. Okay. So, oh, wrong way. That's my hand. Oops. Upside down. Whoa. Anyways, we have her. There's a try me. I squish, squish, squish. Whoa, that came out easily. Whoa. Oh my goodness, she just plopped right out. Anyway, oh my gosh. Whoopsies. I don't even know how to describe this texture, but it's so amazing. Let's give her a squeeze. Whoa! My goodness! Did you guys see that present? Let's see. Squeeze! I wonder what's inside of these. Listen. Pretty cool. Let's give her a bounce test. Whoa, that sounds weird. Whoa, that's really weird and strange. Anyways, let's put her back in the packaging so that she stays nice and nice. Ta-da! Let's display her like this. Ta-da! I am displaying her. That is nice. Okay, we're gonna need to get a move on now. I'm gonna move this side. I'm gonna plop this right on her. And up next, we're gonna be opening up the Soft and Slow Squishies. Ultra soft and ultra slow rise. Here's a little marshmallow dude or guy. And this is called the Velvet Velouties. Whatever, however you say that. Anyways, it looks so soft. Anyways, let's open it. It's like I'm dying to see what the texture is like. Actually, we can open it like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, this feels weird, but it also feels nice. This is a whoopsies. Squishy. Whoa. It's ultra slow rising. The squish test is relatively amazing. Squish the head down. This feels really soft. I'm going to put it right there next to Penelope. Okay, the last item we're going to be opening up is this unicorn cup. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Ooh! By the way, this can did not come in there. This did not come with the unicorn cup, but it did not come with it. But I just put it in there. Anyways, it's made by Pretty Sweet marshmallow flavored candy unicorns. Let's see what these are like. Ha. I have it! Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, we're going to be opening this marshmallow candy. It smells amazing. Even as tiny unicorns. Adorable. 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 Look at all these marshmallow candies. You can put them in here for a nice little treat. I'm going to try one right now. See this little unicorn? It's so detailed and cute. It's delicious. And you can store it in here. So guys, what was your favorite item of the video? Let me know. My favorite was the unicorn cup. And the squishies, of course. Anyways, have a nice day. Bye. I'll see you all next time. Bye.